Okay, so my problem for you both to help me solve is that recently I have started snoring.
You started snoring.
I have started snoring, yes.
Okay.
And I am not a snorer. I've been with my girlfriend for 10 years. And just recently,
no.
like maybe a month or two ago, I started snoring. And it wasn't like a cute little snore. It's like honk shoe, like big, keeping her up at night snore. And I feel so terrible. I'm like ashamed. I'm embarrassed because I'm like, I don't want you to lose sleep over me snoring. Like, this is new. I want to figure this out.
So is she really, really upset with you?
No, she is lovely. She's a sweetheart. She's the kindest person.
Okay.
But she wanted to let me know because it also could be like a health thing too, right?